Wagwan ENT.
The club closed 4:30, so we have to do it like this. You understand? 10 minutes after 2:15. And then tune for tune. No rules. You understand? War till one sound dead. And only decide who are dead. You understand? I know me.
Brooklyn, everything, Chris. Yeah, I love everything. Go on. I'm a place. I'm a yard. Video man. Go on back part. Come here. I go set up the thing. You know, so we are starting. One love, I'm tell you this blood clot. I don't want to clash this. I'm Brooklyn in a gangster city. Make I tell you this, Ross, pause and don't play a tune. Because someone that talk about near sit now who draw, near from who draw. Watch the blood clot beating. Run tune!
Yeah! So we do it. Yeah. Delete it. Send it! Yeah.
Brooklyn will take crazy things happening. Yo, my dogs. Irish and children there. What me say?
Like the sound is killing the sound. Gonna show and
sound. Manchester crew. But the launch, ain't one of them. I like country people them.
Like the sound is killing the sound. Over to our jump and sound.
Where's the 20 minutes?
Oh, yeah, the champion.
Run that.
Yo, Craven here, yo, Juvenile. They don't know. Black ya just like them now. Them sound boy, you don't know.
Brooklyn.
We really got to like them.
What do them?
Oh, my Lord. It's wicked local and abroad. My people are fear faces to war. It's a very steep road. So many rivers to cross. Oh, my Lord. Black cat is wicked, local and abroad. Some sound of big up here, sit down.
Different serial.
Grab in there and yourself, I want to tell you. I'm here to tell them, say, yeah. And we burn the ice grade and some boy are going like say, broken boy.
Put on the ganja like that.
I want yourself in a crib in here. Black cat. Say black cat, I want so we not stop burning my ring. Some boy have to know so we are the world greatest now. I'm here to tell them so this is Mr. Cruz and we ain't got nothing to lose. So yeah, I'm a pants and I wear yourself. And the man call, the man call, grave in there and I wear yourself.
Why not be on a troll left over this? Every blood clot regular, burn them out. Run the troll. Run the troll.
I wear yourself in a crave in here. Black cat. Say black cat I want so we not stop burning marijuana. Marijuana. Say black cat I want so we not stop promoting marijuana. It's dark and brown, it makes me so high. Sometimes makes me feel like
I'm an artist, let me a fifth element. Lighter than you.
Who is ready to meet us? No job. Black cat who we put first. No job. Needless them fight not pressure when everything is good.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Oh, One Love trend. Go around there so kill your blood clot. Yo, sit ya. Watch ya. What to them?
We rising air, I'm ready to spread. I'm not sure say I'm about to come to the full of travel, going to blood clot bullet. Yeah, I'm not saying say war tank, I will fear no time. Yeah, gunshot for Baltimore and Sonoma. Come with the 12 for the year, Trelawney, yeah, Manchester.
Push up and on, Brooklyn. Push up and on, son. Lighter.
We rising air, and ready to spray. And this sound boy was stand up in our way today.
When me out to stay.
No take no disrespect, no time, no day. Listen, son, I'm here to talk about now. You want to hear about this? Yeah.
Richest voice.
So I'm going to tell you now. Yeah, no. Black cat sound of the champion sound. Nobody takes so we simple. Not because we're smiling, it's the champion sound. Nobody takes it we soft. Everybody want an autograph from the champion sound. Nobody takes it we simple. Not because we're smiling, it's the dimple, you're the champion sound.
Stop! Now look for me, Dread. Mash up your blood clot in there.
Yeah.
Brooklyn! I'm here with them. My place.
Black Cat, I tell them that
It's your life, where they're playing.
Watch your eyes!
because the way it's
No BS! No BS! See ya!
them fight the youths and
I don't say one love for them. Go so! Go so! One love for them. With a blood clot in one love.
Sunday again. Yes, I started that little sound of
Go again.
Fire for the wicked,
What
fire
do
for the
them?
heathen.
Different tune.
I'm gonna know me the life for no one when.
Luciana Paddy. The artist again. The rock full.
Doesn't matter what you play on some boy, as long as you not play right.
You will never tonight.
Log on to irishandchink.com.
And try to
Wait till
contain
later.
the crowd. You will get
Throw down.
what's that doesn't
Look. When it talks them they're from Brooklyn. 40s, 50s, 60s, 90s. Do a crew. Bumbo. What do them?
Yeah, I'm a Brooklyn. Watch
Peter
out.
man, see for you.
Brooklyn, push up your gun finger now. One love dead right, I know. Say the dreaded dog, the bust up like a pumpkin.
You know.
Watch you know. Tell him to stop, chat.
First one. One love.
A murder.
You
I
know
murder
shoot
them.
play me.
Check.
Loaded.
Sounds a Panther.
I'm here the whole I shoot them.
Yo, Yonsei.
Brooklyn, I fool on this.
Yeah, I'm a Brooklyn.
Go sir,
Watch
Brooklyn.
out. Yo, Brooklyn, push up your gun finger now. One love dead right, I know. Say the dreaded dog, the bust up like a pumpkin, you know. Them a talk about fire gun, but we say gun thing, you know. Any man we make another man jump him, you know. The man a cricketer, yet a man a stump him, you know. Straight copper we would leave
Watch
back
it.
a thump him, you know. Must not say that.
I don't say bad one, I want them dead.
Tell them
Go
to
so,
switch where we
go
do
so.
run thing, because it's sad. Say the whole place load up with fog. Say them coming out the closet. We hear
One
them a rock
next.
out. Anytime the fuck I don't
Feel
feel
for
say
them
them bad.
bad
Tell them
boy.
coming at the public up.
What?
They say they like the city, but we like the world.
Luciana again.
Legalize it.
Gotcha lighter.
Please don't criticize it.
What do you know? Not true like Black Cat. Go ahead.
Legalize it.
Give me some more mic volume. The engineer. Turn up the mic, come on.
I got to advertise it.
Turn it up.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, man.
Some call it damping.
One next.
Some of them are calling
What the
it
fans them there?
weed.
What them there? What them there?
Oh, I lift up my hands to the Black Cat, 'cause he made me strong.
Black Cat put my food on my table.
Yes, and in my heart a song.
What's right?
Black
Cat, I love you so. Christian Akura Lodge.
Black Cat,
The whole country people of New York.
sing along.
Hallelujah. What the blood clot. Hey.
Said I did Panther give them the blood.
What do them?
Even though I'm the Panther. What about worry on yourself and no them on battlefield?
Worry on yourself.
Can this a clash?
Jump in now.
Worry on yourself, you come protect them meal. Life come like a buck. You know so can't heal. You could a shuffle. Buckle stone boy, no could a deal. We kill some son boy, Panther.
On the ready again. Ready again. Ready again.
So Mr. Panther says, so yeah, Yonsei.
Brooklyn, one under. One under, way lighter.
Say we are kill from desert clocks and diamond socks. Pinstripe rubber shirt filter.
We are killed from
One pop and
Bombo Cloud. Wait till later.
Bring a make slingshot.
We are kill
from before Bob Marley start
DVD
locks.
for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Long before that, before I'm a Rinjan and a Rowax.
We are killed from
Before Brazil
Stop that rap.
before Bella play the
Different
first match.
tune. I first run, relax. What my fans in there, go so. New York, Brooklyn, go so. Go so, Brooklyn.
Black Cat a bull and fire pan a weak sound. And the freaks are good and never
Let you down.
Though they try to use
Different serial.
Shine your light for me, yeah.
I don't say one love for them. Go so, Clash will come. Go so, Brooklyn. Go so.
Black Cat kill some jumpan for me. He plays some dub plates for me.
Look at me, relax.
Cat kill a sound boy.
Relax.
Cat play some dub plates for real. When the storms of life surround me, and some jumpan trying to play with.
No ganja. No cocaine around here. Pure ganja man there, Brooklyn. Ganja lighter.
I'm rolling up a blunt, set my mind at ease. Sipping on some Mali with some energy. And I'm rolling with the punch and the girl in needs. Black Cat, you
how much more tune?
And you can believe what you want to believe.
One more tune. Stand up. Bumbo clot. When me there Brooklyn, me feel good. I'm a yard with a tread. I'm ramping me one love. I was so surprised to see a blood clot. Everything fixed up. Me I like the thing. But I'm not sure if you play me. 1-on-1 tonight. You think I want you when man a drop out and some are wait till next round? Me alone that is blood clot. Back clot till it done.
Wagwan ENT.
Blood clot. Butcho!
Black Cat sound is magnificent and well eloquent.
Loaded!
Watch it, gentlemen. Go down, come around the residence.
New York, right, yes, sir.
Big up, Panther, know you.
Right, yes, sir, New York. What do you have them there? Brooklyn! What a blood clot of them!
Mama, Panther,
what a blood guy! What a blood, eh?
Jamaica to America, sound and go then. Black Cat, you know, save the day. Panther, sound,
what a
then. Black Cat, you know,
save the day. No BS.
Hear me out. Come in, don't know why them say them at top of the top. How we never yet pop them in on your sound clash. We don't know why them say them at top of the line of jungle, and no rat pack. When we come and dance, you know we hotter than a hat.
No BS. You want more Butcho? You want more Butcho? Go so.
Basking and early bird, you know a big man that. Bucky Marshall with the buckshot, no
BS.
Butcho on the microphone.
Lighter.
Mama, Black Cat and slaughterer. Hey, I went Black Cat and rolling a parade from 228. Pussy catch a punchline and don't know about the trade.
I don't know. Blood.
Panther, you go on good. All who say Panther go on good, I'm son here. Alright, all the way from Rome, Italy, we bring to you One Love.
Bless up. Hey Panther, what's it? Brooklyn, a gangster city. Run the tune. Me carry the most gun. Me carry the most gun. Brooklyn. I'll show you go. Low. I just say tonight, Panther, him think to kill me easy. And not so go. Not so go. He not kill me easy tonight. Me, I go kill him. Remember me tell you. Listen.
Here comes the original.
Butcho Panther.
Log on to Irish and Chain.
Brooklyn.
One love till I'm led to rest. Always keep the best. There's no life in the best. And all the best. All the poor them spread. Those we nothing. One love. Some boy in bondage. Living is a mess. And they've got to rise up. Alleviate the stress.
Hey Brooklyn. You see tonight. You see tonight.
God bless the sound.
Hey. Butcho again. You see tonight.
Oh, murderer, Lord, kill I today, you cannot toss I tomorrow. Murder, you inside mercy. Hello, you cannot kill one dog, never. You can hide from one, not your conscience. Some of that bread of sorrow, drink that wine of oil.
Low.
Let them salty.
At the first segment, we don't waste no time, and we play only big artists. Here, Shabba ranking, 2-1 in the air, 2-1 in the air, 2-1, Shabba ranks.
Sure. Yeah. It's just reality. One love by power, I kill the sound. Reality, one love by power, about ya. It's just reality. One love by power, I kill the sound boy. Reality sound boy, them have got dead bout ya. Power you get it from the can't and way. One love by power, have the ability. Come now. Power you get it from the can't and way. One love I.
One do show, next show.
Rastafari give better guidance.
Hey.
Never play with the jump and play. Neither will we walk in the council no day. Lumberjacks we no guys.
What?
Mythology and illusion I'll be always burning. Corruption and confusion will be thrown in the ash bin. Can't fool the lampa so with your false doctrine.
Look, you see? Me see a lot of gangster, you saw? A lot of thugs. My heart is always for the ladies. So me a big up the girls them, and me a play a big show, Bushman.
This is one love sound. One love doing it for the ladies. All nation ladies. Oh well, every time. Oh well, oh Lord. You, oh
hey.
My.
Watch out, hey!
I search for a way.
Big up the girl them.
One love ladies.
And Italian they are.
This is the love I search.
Walk, Bushman.
Wakes me up so early in the morning. Unto me it's like a breath of life.
Next show, Luciano. Are you stay away from the world clash? Luciano say.
Seems to be no way. Well, one love we've been down in a love. It seems to be no way.
Yeah.
One love we've been thinking of you. Trying over still. The reason we miss you. No sound place to die.
I'll show you Lucy. Look. Panther say Luciano are him artist. Listen how me play Luciano. Tune.
Now see that in the seed of the scornful.
2-1 in a day. 2-1 Brooklyn. 2-1 in a day.
Let it show. But easy the lamp. Empress Gina.
Luciano, hey! Brooklyn! Hey!
The way of the system is getting uptight. Every sound will get desperate and we want to fight. Yeah. But when one love goes in at the dance of tonight.
Hey us.
You expect to get jealous and well born to fight.
Are you say tonight? Me I go kill Panther and Yunzi at the Black Cat Force. Cause tonight at One Love City. Listen this.
Clean and pure now.
My town tonight. My city. Brooklyn. My city. Listen.
Them shoulda know, check it out. One love city, one love town, them can't turn it in a cowboy town. When I look and know, one love city, one love town, them can't turn
DVD
it
for
in
Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
We know no more than in a town. Miss Happy got so lucky.
A Saigo Capleton.
We don't want no more nobody. Well, Miss Joe kill quick. We don't want no more hit. We don't want no more grave. We don't want no more casket. We don't like for your promote, which is righteousness. So don't get a lick.
Who don't look at no?
A Jaja city, Jaja town, and can't.
Look. Let me play a gangster show for the people. Let me play a Terry Ganzi. Tron.
How can be a crap? This one love them dead pants spot, man. Mara splash.
Gangsta Tron.
Yuck.
I'm me kill Black Cat tonight.
What type of sir? I'm Mr. War in here tonight. This one love them, I go lose them. Something I go on tonight.
Hey, Brooklyn!
One love myself, but I must stand up and fight. We are killer in America. Killer in Jamaica. Raga, say jump.
I'm not sure about the pagan them, yeah.
Hey!
Well, Emmanuel, I think last year. One love. Tell me why. Them no love to see we prosper.
Maxon.
Them would love to see disaster.
Maxon. Hey!
The bass is in control.
Give me some lights up, Brooklyn. Light it up.
One love can't stop, try we have to win.
Hey!
With us some boy, them love the one in a sin. Can't stop, try we have to win. Yo, we tell the whole of them say that the music how we ting. We can't stop, try we have to win. Yo, we tell some son boy, them love the one in a sin. Can't stop, try we have to win. Yo, me tell the whole of them say that the music
so Brooklyn.
Okay, one love keep your head up.
A true Panther, and this is not a war clash. And this is a different thing, a face to face. Squeeze it. Luciana again, hey.
All you missionary soldiers things on the army. Well, you know righteous apostles, Solomon and Infinity,
all right, Lucy.
Come rally round your soul.
Oh, blast, hey.
One love sound. Cause that sound one must go down.
No.
One love praise to crowd.
Everybody know King Shango, the original fireman. The original fireman. All right, keep letter. Hey.
That one on them. Your weapon already fit done them. Say done them now.
Hey.
Already fit done them.
Brooklyn.
Already fit done them. Say done them now.
Jesus.
So no take that because they come me done them in a them palace. Done them down a Roma and me done them up a Cali. Oh, that we say I go.
We right now one love the world renowned big bad sound and we make them know so yeah, we rule the whole galaxy globally, yeah, you know. One love, the big sound, rhythm. With one love I play loud.
Oh, it's sound,
we
Bushman.
make the sound boys every day.
Yo, Panther.
Love play loud.
Get sticky.
Hey, people them love when one love sound it a play.
Yeah.
All the vibes are flowing.
All right, Bushman.
People them listen one love sound every day. That's the way it goes. Sound boy, no love when one love.
Yeah, man, hey.
Them sound dead up.
What we are do tonight?
Yeah.
What we are do tonight?
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a cup.
Oh, blast, hey.
Listen, no, that's a mistake. What go make them do? Hey, I man say one for them selector, one for them owner. Lordy.
Yo, selector.
Can't you see one of my power is taking over?
So Panther said this is Brooklyn, a gangster place. Panther said this is not a war clash. Everybody knows that this is not a war clash. This one a face to face. Me I go shoot him right now. Let go.
Burn him with lava. Well, murder them blood clot. Tell them that one you near blood bath. Pick up a shot for cat.
Oh, blood clot! Hey! Squeeze it!
High power. What up with
Log
those
on to
junkies?
irishandchin.com.
Squeeze it again!
Oh, double murder. Hey, yo, you know it's Warlord the Gorilla. Hey, yo, one time. Long for trade, some guys ready to dead. Hey, yo, King David, one time, Jonah. Hey, yo, Dutcher. Hey, yo, Club.
All right, killer!
Well, murder them blood clot. Tell them that one you near blood bath. Go back a con check up or shop fat cat. One look, the girl them say some boy mouth a soul frap. Tell them say move and make we come cross. Some boy fi dead call one look.
So Brooklyn, a Saturday night now. One selector, a Saturday night.
Now put strength to the end.
got to listen while Lova play.
Oh God. Me and me raising my kids.
That's how we are doing, Brooklyn.
Watching the African queens having themselves a ball.
What you say now?
I mean, you skanking.
No one born, this is one love big song. Yeah, na 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 na.
Yeah, man, we don't waste no time.
Pop it again. One love is a sound.
Original sweet coconut.
Crazy glue.
Well,
don't hear them say.
What?
Whoa, them a big sound.
What you say, Ale?
A some place in a foreign, them a fly down from Compound the Island.
Yeah, man, Italy where I come from.
Beside them have a big box of dub, but the dubs them so old, them get scratched.
Everybody know this.
And the whole world can see. Crowd of people up.
What we do tonight, Coco?
Go take where your gal and take the trophy.
Yeah.
Take where your gal and take the trophy.
I hold it tight. Let go.
You are playing with a serious sound. Yes. One love sound will show you that.
Well, Brooklyn.
One love is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous.
Yeah.
It's only in this sound you know about matches. Joanna is serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, every sound is in a ear.
Alongside who? The color pistol, the girl the pistol. We have some boy trying to my team go lose the life. Watch out. Pop up them stripe.
What we do again? Hey!
One love and the sound them killer. You know what? See it. Hey.
One love, I will kill them now.
Before it's getting late. What?
Walk and play with, but tell the sound to wait.
What you say, selector?
Reason why they wanna beat us so badly, because they know we are the champion and we play with lots of quality.
All right, what's it? Wallow, we never done. Squeeze it.
It's real. Lucha. You don't know Lucha me. Turn up. Clever.
You see Panther?
I know one love where them can't.
You see
D for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Yo, my selector, you know easy at all. You know easy at all. A combination time. Squeeze it.
Back to Sicily.
Why them there? Why them there? Why them there?
Enemies for one love on the line. See them enemies, it will be murdered to.
Walla no! Walla no!
What am I trying?
Alright, singer!
I want them to manage that by you. What am I trying to steal? Them fear we jump into, that's why them want to shine we. Say when we are say and the one sing our story. Lampa say go yam shit them now ignore it. One love at the leader in the sound.
Alright, hey!
What am I doing? Clear out.
He not done yet. He not done yet. Yeah, well.
One of them come to screeching and pass.
That's all I Yunzi, you see him?
I see two of them come.
Wait, two of them, Yunzi and Panther.
From your sight, one love you should have run. No wait till we back with up and we gone. From we pop out, we gun well he pack blood that go run. X amount of people life that go done. One love, copper shot.
Lava, Barrington Leafy, both them to round killer.
Yeah man, big tune from early.
Sound killer.
Big tune from early.
Kill them already, we go and kill them again.
Yeah.
Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Dust them already, we go and dust them again. One love a sound killer.
Squeeze it.
You can't come for when I play with them and just come slow them righteously. Dig off them face, no time for it. Wow, 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 wow.
Where's the Panther?
One
Fifth element.
I'm started at the need of that now.
Alright, Brooklyn.
Them sound are evil, tonight them are gonna meet them dead. So not right, you know say one love in flesh, one love sound, some little sound boy I feel left. Don't plate up the whole of them. One love swear that we will never switch. We swear we come to kill the boy them like this. We swear that we will never itch.
Alright. Alright, jump with
us. Is our greatest wish. Yeah. Yeah.
What I say, Richie? Fifth element again.
Burning on the highway. If the eye is great, it gets into my head. We kill them jump and sound upon the we keep them calm. Oh yes,
no. So Panther talk about fifth element. Like him responsible of them career. I'm not nagoso. I'm not nagoso. Squeeze it, selector.
Oh my.
Alright, Richie Spice Tinkal.
Yes. What's this? And what's those places you walk and mind the way you talk?
Yeah.
Watch out for the vampires who will sneak up in the dark. Watch out for the jump and sounds who claim say that they're smart.
I don't think so.
I bring in the crack and the guns, we come mess up the youths, them are dance all around red.
Alright, selector, blaze it.
No. Hey, no. I know Jaja blaze.
Yeah.
Wicked don't get it.
Boom, blood, alright. Last tune.
Our massive, that are the first 20 minutes, alright? So right now we are going 15-15. Panther.
What you line up doing, sir? Hold on. One love. You're dopey or you're blood clot one. You come back again for dead. I can tell you this, Brooklyn. And the worst beat woman I'll get tonight. Who not ready night? Brooklyn, are ready?
Log on to
Right about now, I want to stop and observe a moment silence of peace. Yeah, we're peace ready now. What I'm saying, I'm on the war. Right, Panther, no nothing. Say what a clash, yo. Blush, yo. Oh, what a war. What a war.
What do they?
What them boys searching for? Dead. Yo, tonight some pussy will get some shot in at them faces. Pack them up, pack a hope them bring them suitcases. Panther murder anything, we try to pass them places. Push stealing at them out like a bumbo clock braces. Black cat come for bust them head like a peer. Them out there, dubs now go get them nowhere. So who say them for pass push up the one in a there. As a book read them a chat when I tune you wire, yo. The maybe open for a change is a dream. Tired of them talking like a debate team. But if talking is the best them can do,
if you say war, go so Brooklyn, New York.
Well, if them say them want war, Black Cat to deal with the keys, God's peace. I so
you the work to I want to. You see me I say, that one of them want to. Straight one to.
Man, what the bad man on there? Why Brooklyn there? Brooklyn.
Big gunman rise, boy, and make the nice. You this the Pink Panther, get to shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the passengers so realize them get gunshot to them.
Push up.
Send shots, you know, an instant date. We use the black blunt to send through them proper date. I use the dub plate that chop select and all them chest them get gunshot to them brain. Pink Panther man, the sound killer, sound stopper. We kill the sound them cat.
For the flyer. Black Cat, where them come from, man? Black Cat sound.
Relax.
Hey, come on now. Just kill them off now, that them a say in the streets. Cause if you're this Black Cat, you gone 6 foot deep. So
kill them off. Watch where come next, yo. Same time.
Put them the guns and ask can carve them feet. Kill them off.
Engineer. Give me some more back volume. On the ready New York.
Yes, we got some girls to me. Yes, we pushed out the boat and me cook. Sing it back.
Well, if a while, make it start then. Black Cat and we no better, we no big friend. Jump on sound. It's not a problem.
Relax.
Use them jump and feel the afterglow. Father, use it's been newly designed.
Look, I'm relax. Silent a blood class assassin. One love. Lick till you're sore.
Selection would have
relax.
We got the boots, man, them skanking.
They're work specialists.
We know me, I watch you girls, them a shout. And little black cat, we
on the ready. Brooklyn.
Oh, gosh, yes. Bless. Da, 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 yeah.
Brooklyn.
All right. It's not pretty, no. So clash are easy.
What the blood clot to them? Marina. Watch your ride.
Get it ain't easy, no. So clash not easy.
What do them? Same time.
Out in the streets tonight. The kill have 11 sound.
Watch your ride. Lick out the beers. You light them. Light them.
God, I thank you for the blessings in my life.
Watch it dance, come relax.
And I thank you for
Brooklyn, relax and nice.
Tonight.
First 15 minutes, no watch nothing.
And Lord, I wanna thank you for all you say.
You think the sun will drop out one love? We have the whole blood clot night. I can drop in our blood clot hole in here. The whole night. Did the clash not yet? Yo.
Walk one ENT.
Dance until the break of day. And I wanna thank you for all you say or do.
Brooklyn, sit down.
And I thank you for the black.
Same time.
Black Jack, I don't know your man on the country, man, fucking town, stay a Panther, your bubble.
Light that out here. Sizzler.
Damn. You know they can't keep a good man down. Keep my joy when they want me to frown. Emperor Selassie, I am weird the crown. They could never ever take thy throne. Oh, John bless, I say no man curse. Things get no better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the
Brooklyn, on the ready.
Yo, but I'm on your Black Cat, tell them reverse. Black Cat sounds solid as a rock. They just can't stop us now.
Watch your ride.
Damn.
Watch it. Me artist.
Let them see.
The road on there, relax, Panther. Relax.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Some sound living in a corrupt
Sunset.
Oh Lord, only you know what tomorrow will bring.
Me a war specialist. Brooklyn no worry about a blood clot thing. Me go tape up in them blood clot face. Me loaded. No worry about nothing. The whole Nigeria war till it's done. One
this
next.
is a counteraction for
one
all
next.
counteraction. And you hear me? Black Cat, 3-time world champion, know you mean? And more coming too. What is this?
Yeah man, I'm play a part one, it's a part two.
That sound keep giving them problems. Black Cat sound, no sound can sound.
Don't give me no problem. Bariton living.
My sound. Telling it's the Black Cat sound. We can't dance without it. We can't move without it.
First 15.
We kill sound with it. So don't try.
Don't worry yourself, you know. Them are dead. Them are blood clot dead. Phantom moja.
In the morning.
When there. When there.
Yeah. Watching the vines, but the people not dancing.
See the berries here first. Berries.
Kill them, Black Cat.
Kill them now.
I beg you, kill them, Black Cat.
One love that tune they're gone. But not some tune you say.
Run come Panther, run come pick up a dub. I want you play them selection, make them know them a grub.
Still up yourself. Relax, Brooklyn. Let me take Chris.
So much fun.
Yo.
Oh, yeah. And I think, what would happen if you weren't in the dance? Tell me, how would I be able to jump and prance and have so much fun? Yes, so much fun.
In a party.
Yes, them guys are full of greed and selfishness, and they only play for them.
Hey, that youth here, I'm me boss him. Brooklyn.
Son boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry, your sister hungry. So all who some man probably get food or step food. Yeah, man.
What me say? Who don't know where the blood clot say? Me loaded.
So me say you want to dig up yourself, Panther.
Brooklyn.
Son boy, your mama hungry, your papa hungry, your brother hungry, your sister hungry. We are kill you some tonight. And you can't.
One love. You play all your whole bone to them already. Your belly actually gone already. Me never touch the blood clot tanker box yet. And the war baby, them man play now. The tanker box don't fly yet.
Hey, give me a say now, Black Cat. Come here, some boy going from with you and talk about them a this a bad man, them a that the bad man. Some man say them a this a bad man and that the bad man. Them pussy their son, they a sack the bad man. Give me a say now, juvenile. We don't tell them.
General,
like the river Nile.
blood clot, Brooklyn.
Give me a say now.
On the ready.
Give me a say now, Brooklyn.
Panther a real bad man. We got fiberglass and blue.
Come here, some boy going from me and talk about them a this a bad man, them a that the bad man. Some man say them a this a bad man and that the bad man. Them pussy them.
No worry, Brooklyn, me loaded.
Yeah, me a send a juvenile. We don't tell them say them blood will run like the river.
Where dogs them there, go so? Where dogs them there? Brooklyn, 90s.
Panther a real bad man. We bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Them beat the youth so them a be a big bad man. Them beat up them girls so them a lady bad man. Man a real bad man.
One love, dirty dread. You come here and jump up like you can't kill Black Cat. Kill your mama pussy. Yeah.
Seriously, up to the time you know we are the real one.
Yeah. Hey. The war not done till the whole of them dead. Mac 90 rifle just on me head. A murder, so boy a bed. But Teflon making brain scatter like butter pan a bread. Me hand no slippery like not a scarlet. So me squeeze.
I lose a Batman for that, go so. A Batman for blood clot, that go so. One love for dead. Them a Batty boy.
Beyonce, can I give them a flavor or Black Cat steel? Hey, you see Black Cat, Bukuman, Chukuman, then fly room, you a rap to man. Fire fan, Pukuman, plus man, any woman, them to man, gave a jet Chukuman. But it up on a man, wake up another man, could a daddy and brother man. Other man eat man, must stand, but other man seed, never in a shut plan. Craving you make money, get money, take money, stash money in a bank, book cash money. More money, more trouble, more weed, more weed.
Take time with them. Relax.
More shut up, more the young ex. Phantom of next, all a pussy get text, but Black Cat now take the hide.
Look over, relax. Me a war specialist. Me war fucking day. Me know me I do. Relax, Panther. Run now.
Panther, Yonsei, rolling, cruise controlling, Papa Cat. I'm not into camera, the channel to come because there's some Black Cat just to kill some sound.
No way. We are war specialists. In every war you have a round like this. You don't even know that, Brooklyn. Greatest. Every round never heard of this.
Hold on. Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound?
Relax, Panther, look there.
And what it takes.
Yes, baby, we rate you. You're done, then know yourself. Lock you up.
Trying to taste the Black Cat. Hold on. Black Cat is gonna give you sound now.
Stop that, blood clot. Different zero.
Hey, Yonsei. Oh no! Rich.
Germs war.
Yeah.
Relax.
Went away to a far, far land. Kill some sound in England. Kill some sound in New Zealand. Now welcome back to your own land.
Stand up. One love. That bury someone they're gone. Pose. Second on Panther. Second. Goes. Second Panther.
Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never play blind. Among the sound we kill is more than 99. Your readed sound might be next in line. Oh,
murder. Stand up, Tune. Brooklyn. Yeah, man. It always come to this, them lock off them blood clot. And just after 2 and even 3 o'clock yet. Clash now done till 5 o'clock. You think me a pussy? Watch me and them in here. Watch that.
Black Cat comes again.
Yeah, this is Emmanuel. All who believe in a Black Cat. For you believe in a Black Cat. Go so. Go so.
Some boys, them are weeping. And I'm only, yeah, weeping. And I'm only,
One Black Cat. Lord of mercy. Black Cat is wrong.
If you believe in a Black Cat, 2 another year.
Bad boy fire M16.
Police
wanna fire AK-47, but Black Cat sound.
Lick on the bass.
He ma kill sound.
One love, you can't manage Black Cat sound.
Bad boy fire
A second round with the winner, they know it yet. Always a Black Cat win the clash. Go so. If you believe in a Black Cat, go so. Go so. Brooklyn, go so. Go so.
The place playing in the ghetto tonight.
Relax, Panther. You're war specialist, no rush it. We have the whole night.
Honestly, Black Cat are going. Never going good? Are you ready for one love? One love.
Yeah. Panther. Boring blood clot. Me rate you, man. The man a legend, you see. But you get a book with a Dennis Brown. I can't believe. You know why? Because you play the old same shit. When you play a brand new tune, like the Phantom Mojo, you say, your papa hungry, your mama hungry. Yeah, my papa hungry, my sister hungry. Are you rich? You are rich, man? Pussy wall. Play the tune.
Rastafari. Well, I make a joyful noise unto the Lord all year. Serve Rastafari with gladness and come before his presence with singing. Know that he's Rastafari, it is he that has made us and not we of ourselves. We are his people and we are the sheep of his pasture. Enter into his gate with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Wow, Jah, you have done so much for me.
She's loud.
Rastafari have done so much for me. Rastafari have done so much for me. Whoa, God to rise and give that thanks and praise. Jah, you have done so much for me. One love sound you have done so much for me. Almost like
Panther Yunzi, you know why you can't kill me tonight? Set it.
So praise his Jah, hail the emperor.
You can't kill me, Sean. Can't kill me tonight. You can't kill me. You know why? Brooklyn. Brooklyn is a boom. Yeah, yeah. My sound, my sound. Get the people for real. Get the people for real. Big up Mighty Moon.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
It's a song for the poor kids facing separation. Listen, fall around, up down pressure. Why you try to down press the One Love side?
Make sure don't show. Make sure. All right, Brooklyn. Ian Sizzler.
Red like mountains round about Jerusalem. So it's one of viper around high and high and
Michelle.
Like mountains round about Jerusalem.
Everybody know.
So it's the Paracelasia.
Squeeze. Push your back.
One love you play like a champion, juggle like a champion. When me say one love and dash down selection, lick out and jump on.
Oh, what a bam bam.
In a Milano we roll. One love you play like a champion, juggle like a champion. What a sound of punch down when you make it from lick out and jump on. Oh, bam bam bam. In a Rome you rule. Me say we would be more than dying to kill them sound, take them to the dope line.
Look,
that mean them can't ever come.
all the people that smoke marijuana, 2 1 in a day, 2 1, squeeze.
Smoke your herb, get on some praise, it make your some brave.
Flush down.
Was found on King Solomon's grave. Wisest men in his days. Oh, I'm serious, me not make no joke. Ganja me smoke and not coke. Me never drink them rum, bad man then you poke. Oh, if it's seal in a batty man, have Rizla ready. And me the chronic, have some preserve. Put down a make tonic. Crack and
squeeze.
All those things must die.
Nice show.
One look punch and it's the weed. Good ganja weed. But I burn it don't count and will murder the breed. Give me the weed. Good sense the weed. Ganja reborn we all are yes indeed.
Hey.
Ganja the healing of the nation. Ganja was found on the grave of King Solomon. This and passed by scientists and Dr. Man. And so we know ganja for rich tradition. We now will walk through the valley and we run through the swamp. Now stop the move along till me reach the old land. Girl is so one love who are the true champion.
No.
Just to
No.
get a
So how them the 4-star general in a look like so. We just drop us sleep in them second round. How them, I want them I do squeeze it.
Feelings them I carry, them done but already and them can't say them sorry.
Yes, prophet.
Them man bare feelings them I carry. Hey, one love you want to them something me again. Well you why you with me up. Who them I could have what that them I try.
Big up
them
Queens.
One love and what you
Big up Bronx. 90s, all of Brooklyn, New York. But in the meantime, them touch Sizzler. Them touch Sizzler.
Log on to irishandchin.com.
Never let them worry you at all.
Okay.
You can only be yourself, my friend, that's all.
So we're getting straight now.
I'm sure they have said it many times before, and still them can't find.
Why a second?
Tell them that for sure. Okay, love is always there.
Yeah, squeeze it. Dead.
Sound call one love sound.
Give them straight to Joe.
Sound man. Mass murderer, some boy never do
Yeah.
This one love sound we count the big master link. Mass murderer, look how them jump and sing. Never know say one love sound and you can't link.
Look, we are come here so fi ramp with nobody. We are come fi kill straight. We not make them reach the tune fi tune, me I tell you. We not make them reach the tune fi tune. Squeeze it.
Hey.
Shh. Panther.
I'm going home by in a son boy. One look up promote no jump and some of them fi dead. On a boom boy, in a son boy head. One look up promote no jump
Where's
and
that
some
Bujo? Next.
They're gonna quick. Somebody go call the owner.
Yeah.
Quick. When I want to call the undertaker. Quick. I jump and must stand in ya. Quick. Watch out. One look tell them. And we young girl do like mountain on now. When you do what see we have a
squeeze it.
Post only a bad man, so one love and take man up one scrub. One slug, drop them in a one pool of blood for murder them. Post there one love.
Alright, killer.
One time lamp a dread.
Killer.
Hey, yow, Dutch me. Hey, yow, King David, motherfucking niggas like waving. Hey, yow, Clover, it's not like lava.
Listen, Wally Patrol. We loaded. Bounty.
One love world class gladiator, son boy eliminator, like the Terminator. You burn them out the paper, then them come back later, stronger and even greater.
Alright, killer.
So, passa, stay for later, killers, fire perpetrator, petty thief and all a raper.
Yeah.
Fussy on a hater, chichi instigator, bar red and white beater, in front of spectator. One love, ready for done in person.
Alright, squeeze it.
Come up in a roll and check
Yeah.
But let me hear you say, whoa.
New York.
Yeah.
Brooklyn.
90s.
Yeah.
With the bar, 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 number one.
Yeah.
Love, you know that that's a for your soul, not the dance. I'm with the bar, 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 number two. I wanna love you, a star of the show, yeah, be true. I'm with the bar, 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 number three. One love for your sound in a category. I'm with the bar, with the bar, with the bar, with the bar.
Tonight we loaded. We carry all the tune. We carry all the artists. And my anthem this. Squeeze it.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Alright, prophet! Yes! One love by power! Yeah!
Tell them say we there, yeah. One love by power. Them this way and we blaze up the red of fire. We there, yeah. Mama and Papa.
Look!
Shout like
we don't want cocaine in the place. We not mix with coke and drug. We are strictly smoke ganja, the highest grade. Let me see 2 and a year. All of the ganja man in the place. 2 and a year.
Hey, hey, whoa.
No one your name on me on them. No one your name on me on them.
See, after we stand from the one love sound and I burn we ganja pot.
Yeah.
Babylon come and tell me that's not right.
What I know?
So me burn it and toss it on the right. Me said them come in and them look for love for dread.
Them say, hey, love for dread, love where you come from.
Well, they must have 2 stickers and 6 under your
So, ganja man again. Ganja man again.
For a rule iration, I said. One love I power one in a set. Yeah, man, the champion sound.
Are you the name President? Listen, listen. Are you the name President? Ganja man tune again.
Unleash it, me put the unit with car, you don't know, sir. The chalice blazing here.
If you don't have no cocaine in your family, give me 2 and a year. 2 and a year, ganja man. Ganja man. I go Chazzy.
When you smoke your dirty coke and it
blast.
Do you see one love I power with them chalice in a them earth? You've been carrying feelings that you in our garden.
Panther, you see our war clash. Me give you a wall about trouble and problem. I mean not done yet. Me not done yet. Squeeze the next. Squeeze the next.
Ha! This one is exclusive. Where the rhythm jack?
I wear them over do now. One of vibe in the area.
All right, Brooklyn.
Murder. Up on them box with my prayer.
Yo, Panther.
Trouble again.
All right.
One love a killer sound. Boom. Murder again. I sound just dead. Boom. I sound by player tune. One love counteract. The massive them get up and lick too short. Them say that this a sound it no bite it sharp. No idiot sound can't ride pound we back.
Look. So we come on New York. We come on Flatbush and we are walk. We feel like home. We go to Jamaica Avenue. We feel like home. Yeah man, New York. When we come here so, me feel like home. And me have the key of this blood clot city tonight. Squeeze it! Last tune!
Tell them say
last tune!
Big sound, up here, big tune we play. Freddie McGregor, we say one love the baddest sound about the cut. Run the trap me select, I'm gonna deal with them case, cause you don't know, so we'll lock up the place.
One love, you won the keys to the city.
You see me, don't
you won the keys to the dance hall.
Don't Jamaica! Hey! Alright, Freddie!
I've traveled this road both day and night.
Yeah!
And every morning as I rise, I
log on to irishandchin.com.
Get in my way. You know, say I'm one love I
go my
and then, hey, select, I get to understand. You're trying to ruin the one love that plan. But this time you won't get away. Select over the
I go Brooklyn.
Now for a one love on the keys for the city.
Well,
you know.
Time done. Next sound.
All right. Panther, your turn.
Me tell you something very early. Me a war specialist. Me can't juggle me in war every fucking day. I saw you going on, you have to play a boy long around to drop them in a hole. They are covered in blood clot. One love. Me see me tell about 1 hour dance, you can't manage Black Cat sound. Me draw out your blood clot and push in a one girl. Run that!
Black Cat was born in the dance song.
Lock off your blood clot, Panther. Lock your Panther. Never lock off your blood clot.
Ever since.
What
It's been a long,
One love not coming back.
a long time
Time's
coming,
going.
but we know
Take a sit here, they're
Black
mad,
Cat is
man.
gonna kill that sound. Oh,
Brooklyn
yes,
already.
he will. Yo,
Turn
put
up
yourself
every
in a
blood
Panther, you don't know
clotting.
music.
Lucky
Black
of
Cat
music.
international sound. Rap Charlie, come step up, Archangel. On to the graveyard.
What the
Till
way
the
I
sun
go?
is much, much now. Black Cat, come again.
Blood
Take a
clot.
breath. Onto the graveyard they go. Black Cat kill them right.
Where does this fuck gonna get gunshot? We don't give a fuck if it's a slug or a fucking glock.
What do you want, love? Your blood clot dead.
I'm somebody man with a king Selassie.
Yo, you're dead. Brooklyn, already? Go so, Brooklyn.
We're telling you. Black Cat was born into the system, and we doesn't give a fuck about you now.
Burns kill like a beast, none of mercy. Men from Junction, sentinels at Kingston. Boating alongside the touching angel doulas. Yeah.
Blood Claudio.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say Black Cat, murder in himself, killer select a guy. I some boy don't try. Say Black Cat, we murder in himself, killer select a guy. And send them arms sky.
All red bounty killer goes to one love. You don't bounty like Black Cat. Push him!
Say Black Cat, we murder in himself, killer select a guy. And send them arms sky.
Well, wrong fi come offend me when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no extras, me not take all of my. Damn, no fan. To big but mighty Black Cat. None of mercy. Told the guy them to stop, but them never stop until them crash.
Watch out!
None of mercy.
Watch out!
About water, blood splash. None of mercy. The men called Pink Panther. None of mercy. Men from Junction, sent to live it. None of mercy. What a
Brooklyn, go so.
Why? Said them bad, but me ox when sins. Tell me who them won't convince. But Black Cat pop out again faster than know you quit. Your blood a run like drinks. You boy. I go dead and I go dead like a chain. When you
lock off your blood clot. One love, what you do?
Run with him. This is the wicked everlasting.
What blood?
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
So with CIA, close the station, no information, we suspect foul play. Bad boy, no mingle with no. Yes, we must have 45, not an AK. Them have the shells in all the courthouse man display. Wanna sing or justify me, sing a Allah, no.
I wanna come out to just come to teach you roots and reality.
One love. I first round this.
Lord have mercy.
The first Billboard.
You rise me up this morning. With thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's done in Black Cat lick another sound boy down in real. Cause the time is so perilous.
Please get back to you.
Grand Bounty, your blood clot, yo.
Please build me a Christian stick, Lord. Black Cat
no BS. No BS.
So I take murder in the dance hall.
What Bounty fans say? 90s, Brooklyn, too far.
Just like that.
None of mercy. Black Cat kill people, no perplex and no else a city. And a nation we go down. No perplex, no.
Panther hotter than that. The girl them fat. Long cock and the girl cat.
Come here.
Some boy climb per man back. What is not that?
Look.
Zaga. Go na.
If you're sure, say no about man, go so. Push it up.
What is song where you a bomba class thing? Zaga thing. But
But anyway, from your pop material like a ball. Ain't no Kentucky thing.
Done.
What is that?
Blood clot.
Zagating. But anyway, from your pop material like a ball. No man no see have another man in line.
Batty man.
Satan, blood clot. Black cat say, tell it huh? Yeah. Hear me now.
We're ready.
Hear me now.
One love.
Tell them stop.
Go to one love.
Tell them say what? Say, we are not afraid. No sir. All you a walk and a bend up your face. We are not afraid. You man. All you a so and a talk on the chest. We are not afraid. When you a pass the base and a put up your waist. We are not afraid. One man don't say we deal with them case. Tell a boy say, kill we if you're bad. You a go knock them out. Here's up chat you up. Don't kill we if you're bad. You a talk no shoot. I promise man stop. Kill we if you're bad. What you say? Kill Panther you mad. Come do it if you're bad now. I'm ready. Yeah. Then you better stop it.
Feel a man.
Before the classic like
look. Cartel time. You want some cartel now?
Hear me say now. Hey Panther, where we specialize in now, you and me. K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Unzi, kill a jump and for free. K-I-L-L-I-N-G.
You gotta get tuned to the sick one, love.
Hey, them K-I-L-L-I-N-G. Panther, just rise up a G-U.
See your time.
Rise up B-O.
Tell them careful. You want to kill them. Hey Panther, tell them something. Can't you make? I can see that some the sound get ruined. My tree, my children, my flowers with
all who be at the front and come and free up.
And when they Panther, I know they're losing. You want a bunch for the might and party man, I want to dash a fire. Dash a fire. What am I going with kicking out? They want to see Panther.
You're dead.
Dash a fire.
Yeah, look.
Dash a fire. What am I going with what?
One love.
Yeah. Craving here. Them want war with them now see another day. You no care where you bad from. Now the ends where you chat from. Gunshot make you fall like the bridge over London. When you kick your like Van Damme. You this me not just
one love. You have one highway. Highway sing it over your blood clot. You hear I'm free to play. Counteraction and wait for your nasty pussy. Run!
Give the fire burning war. The table will be turning, yeah. I know the children will be.
If you're on a Batman, wave you on.
Come on, everyone. Well, this is Panther time. Killing the sound boy where there's no war shine. Come on, everyone. Well, this is Black Cat time.
Everyone look for that castle.
Kill the sound and killing on our mind. What is that to do? Kill them up. Kill them up.
Look.
Panther them boys.
Look. One love. You come here and cuss me about me now on the new tune. You see the people and shame me now? I'm going to play the new tune and I dance. You come here and cuss me now.
Oh, fuck you niggas can't. Hey, ciao, Papa. You know you're the real top Christian Kingston. I got guns. Well, see Panther, you where everybody want kill. Then 3 words as...
Lock off your blood clot, so.
You know it's Black Cat.
Let her hear us say new tune.
Ciao, one time, Youngsley. Ciao, Panther. Ciao. Motherfucking niggas can't. Ciao, Papa. You know you're the real top Christian Kingston. I got guns. Well, see Panther, where everybody want kill. Then 3 words as, and they are the top still. So fly past them next, just show them can't quit. We run Nazareth, sound wild blood spill. Black Jack, and the sun with every tactical skill. Go through forest and go over hill. Right through the desert.
Yeah. When we tell a sound boy, when a sound boy straight, take up chop, you think me easy. Hey, who ya ramp with? Panther make we squeeze it. When the war start, who them a go run to? Them get copper, Teflon, black blunt to boom. Take up chop, you think me easy. Who ya ramp with? Craving you squeeze it. When the war start, who them a go run to? Them get copper, Teflon, black blunt to black. For Teflon.
Stop. One love. You can't wear Panther. You know something do you? Your ball 7 on a new tune and you play the worst pussyclad all tune them. I'm correct you. I'm playing the most new sitting. So I'm going to see what you're going to do. I'm going to go to the newest rhythm we unlock Jamaica now. One lock yard!
Hear me the Panther.
Come like some boy can't buy Santa Christmas Day for get everything.
When we never live here too like me again.
So watch the Black Cat. What's the young say stay sir? Watch the Brooklyn master, what's the whole of Bronx? Hey, what's the whole of Jamaica? What's the movie? Brooklyn! Watch the man, Panther big son, watch the man, that's up. We say that, idiot. I'm murder. So watch the Black Cat. What's the young say stay sir? Watch the Brooklyn master, what's the whole of Bronx? Yeah, what's the whole of Jamaica? What's the movie? I'm murder. Back to the man, the Panther big son, back to the man, that's up. We say that, idiot. That, I idiot, so now, idiot. I jump on, we murder them. So you hear me now? Black Cat, tell some boys a slap shot, you understand? Come with the black shot, I murder. Tell them, every man, what's it older now? Gold from birth, but you're older now, I murder. Influence them on the man, over the years. One part we have step on them.
One love. I you say you have new tune? Me not gonna build more yet, say you fuck.
All of the infantry, fuck take them. Murder them. So you have
me know why you say me come play for your old tune. So me not ready for go build more yet.
Tell them, every man, what's it older now? Gold from birth, but you're older now, I murder. Influence them on the man soldier, over the years. One part we have step on them. With the boot and behind, one more. Step on them. Them a friends, you know, see the quartet talk, yeah. Step on them. We gon' rise like the sun and it's a step on them.
One love. Me go show you say that on new tune a blood clot. Me correct you already. So you're dead. One more new sit now. Sesla! What?
I'm gonna say yes, Black Cat Panther. Big up yourself, you say. Hey girl, you put on a fuck.
I don't care if you kill Panther for about 5 more years.
What's the matter, fuck?
We'll have a blood clot wait.
Post this to party and get a mount of gunshot, you know, say, oh. I press the last say I'm a black.
Brooklyn! Go so! All the way Black Cat, go so!
Me police, just can't say no. Can't ask a question, just can't say no. Black Cat defend the ghetto, youth them.
Are you ready?
Man select a juggle, boy. Stop gonna love them nuts on the bonnet. And if why this, if I come, me go bonnet.
Last tune! No more! Pussy! I used to set more new tune, can defend it.
So one love, 15 more minutes.
Panther, me I go kill you here tonight. In the rock. Play the tune.
In Brooklyn, saying one love.
Listen to the tune.
Praise out them tonight, my God.
Hey!
Love ya.
Hey!
Kill that sound tonight, my God.
You go kill you yourself.
Praise out them tonight,
what
my God. One lover. Kill that sound tonight, my God. One love ya. Kill that sound tonight, my God. One love ya. Kill that sound tonight.
I want to kill you.
I say there ain't gonna be no fuss.
Hey!
And there ain't gonna be no fight.
What?
Don't play by the box. And everything is alright. A lamp of red at the control tower. And King David on the mic. We gonna kill a town, town. We kill them in the rock, rock. We kill them in the rock, rock.
Make sure.
I kill a sound this evening with the international sound. It make I feel so irate, man, the international sound.
Yes, don't you silo.
One love give me inspiration in music, man, the international sound come from Roma. And make them feel so irate, man, the international.
You know what? Here's some Shining Chris selection. Some Chris selection. Sean.
Well, me say one love you been through hills and valleys. Hey! And survive out of the old gangster alley. Gunshot and no skip and tally. When them think we dead back in the juggling we rally.
What are the Brooklyn? Relax.
Walk one ENT.
Oh, you get your blood stripe, take it off. Come and get the blood badge rip off.
Just have a space so without a doubt. One love, high power.
Sound of Italy.
Anyway, so me go so show me uno honor all original the artist sound. My one lover say
Show me who no still. Well, if there's sound clash, we are gonna take that for real. So me go so yeah. Show me who no sound. All original, the yacht. It's someone we want.
Not sure.
One love.
Gangsta.
One love.
Hear me now.
And I say, cha la 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 la, one love, white power. Cha la 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 la, bamba hold dead in ya. Cha la 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 la, them get dead and kappa. Cha la 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 la, when I run for kill selector.
Let me show how to play the Shine and Grace selection. We come from Italy and we carry the most gun. Play the tune.
Alright, I love all of the gun them. Keep them shining. Hey! A top of shine. It's a ringing out of gun. Make a white and purple anytime him get it. Lord, show to kill a
we don't show no miss.
But silence up under mister. One love, show to kill and we don't shoot a miss. But silence up under mister.
Tune for no money.
Sound clash.
4 artists together. 4 artists together. Okay, George. What's up, Brooklyn?
Sound clash, wow.
And me say 4 artists together. What better, someone?
Tell me by the east side, no flex up with the west side.
For real?
Tell me why every sound come one love, them up to slide. Why the countryman no love no man from Kingston town. And why every sound we test one love, yes them have to slide. One love is so cold.
Okay, Bounty Killer, what's it now? Yes, Bounty. Make sure.
It's not a thick skull, it's not like a source and pour, so I have some boy. One. Love.
Brooklyn.
I want to. What I'm doing? Them never know who them run come this. I chat about them 9 welcome and Chris. One love how we no feel the sound. Man a bad man sound.
Tell them one love, no business, everybody there. Try to hold the peace of our house in our years. We don't decide the robot from pay down to say. So tell them, make them go from get to them head. No business, everybody gone. Sound boy, we don't know.
Yeah, my Bounty Killer. I think on the showtime. Look. So all of the Jamaican people in the place, let me see to one now. All of the brother Jamaica now. All of the brother them country.
That one your name. Jamaica and Jamaica live Jamaica come. Well, nobody so. Nobody not just on time. Where we come from like for the man. Woman alone in look and put the flag in the sky and let no way because the ocean. Yeah. Jamaica and Jamaica live Jamaica come. Nobody so. Nobody not just on time. Where we come from like for the man.
Ready.
It's got to. Anyway. Where one lover say, the one you have to all who know have to see with us.
Yes, brother.
The one you have to all who know have to rejoice. We saw before the corner, now go get to know the light. Well, now go see we giving up one love. The one you have to all who know have to see with us. The one you have to all who know how to progress. We saw before the corner, now go get to see with us.
So let me see all of the bad man in the place. Go on here. Go on here, all of the Brooklyn bad man. Ducho, squeeze it.
Clava, Macabre again. Moby up around so down to some boy to get gunshot around some boy. Alright, them attack tough.
What up, Cobra?
Press trigger, we no press people about.
Yeah.
Hot chat tough, come face me with so.
What?
Me say me have 20 join on me so. Then I feel you so figure the
alright, hey.
We press trigger, no press people about. Hot chat tough, come face me with so.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
We not take no coke, not take no dope. We not play the poke. I get that, Jamon. Yeah, hear me? Yo, Caesar. All right. Hot and dark light up the chalice when we burn down road.
All right, we are burn down road. I'm moving tonight.
One turn the ball again. One love shake the shaker and make we shake down road. A big frog and bump all the foam. We no lose a bell and we pan road.
Squeeze it again, more than them now.
Let me tell them about.
Well, Panther, you say.
Let me tell something, man. Some boy want them a bad man tonight. Them out dead like 05.
Why I say, Ninja? Why I say, Gordy?
Could make people away from this class.
Well,
This clash that in pan. No sound in this version never cross the one love border.
No
one love border sing pan. I'm telling from the start. One love a fight a dart. And we'll go down a wrong and then we rip out the yard. No sound in this version never cross the one love border. You know I jump on the murder them.
Yeah.
Murder them.
Yeah.
In the competition we got murder them. Me telling them
squeeze it the next. Squeeze it the next. Shabba again. Shabba again.
King David, run, jump up for this. One love, all power. Shabba say.
What I say, DJ?
Clash, clash, every day. One love, all power in my killer slay. Clash, clash, every day. Sound boy test, they know them can't get wet.
What?
Tell a lot of dub, sound boy.
I did up.
One love, all power, sound boy.
All right, selector. Let go.
I'm the King David. I'm the clap. I let me go to lava. All right. My done them in a row. That them for no eye.
In a Brooklyn tonight. What I say, prophet?
We day at Kuras. We day at Kuras.
Yeah.
This one love we one of your bumper class. Day at Kuras. We day at Kuras. When Adam might have a team and not get scarred.
All right.
We day at Kuras. We day at Kuras. When if you
New York.
we one of your bumper class.
Yeah.
Day at Kuras. Day at Kuras. Hey, one of you want to come sing that. Well, we don't love all the
Yo, take it out. Dash with that. New York, good night. Where you there? All right, one love song. Give me my tune now. Time for kill. You know how my name, don't it? Lampa my name. Panther. Where you there?
Angry, me is a rebel.
Listen to Rocky Price.
Argue, when loving, mark you. It's all on the fight, don't you around the head.
Yeah, New York.
Take it out to the debate. Oh no, I go. Lava. Don't you?
I want the name killer.
Lampa trade. Who a go kill Panther tonight?
No Lampa.
No bit and powder in a fight.
No Lampa.
Oh, Lampa and the trophy tight. No Lampa. Kill the fascinating Panther. Who the pussy?
Yeah, you hear that? Sean again.
Quarrel, argue, when loving.
Want to hear Rocky Price? My DJ, you know.
Oh no, I go. Lava.
Yeah, New York.
Lampa trade. Who a go kill Panther tonight? No Lampa, no bit and powder in a fight. No Lampa, oh Lampa and the trophy tight. No Lampa, kill the fascinating Panther. Who the pussy hold them no lie.
No Lampa,
who them all a plan up the fight. No Lampa, who them say make dance alive. No Lampa, just kill the fascinating Panther. Well, so what? If you hear me bust gun in a me song, you see no gun in a me jam, tell the shot at them.
Yo, don't shit.
No take no more guns, I'm no.
That's right.
So what?
Oh yeah.
Murderer.
Listen that shit.
Murderer.
Remember it.
And if you class with one love, them a murderer. And if you trouble and portrait, them a murderer. And if you test King David, a murderer. And if you trouble do chubby, him a murderer.
Yeah, combination this, you know.
Him a murderer. And if you class with Clava, him a murderer.
Wait for the DJ.
Murderer. One love rougher than them. None of them.
Why you say Ganzi?
One love rougher than them.
Find that one then.
We invent the first faster. One love shut up the area. The tongue and a kilo task for. Jump and sound dead. Murderer. One love sound a murderer.
Yeah, man.
Sound killer.
That's right. Yes. Panther, where you there?
Massive, me asking a simple question. Who are the dance? For Black Cat, me want 2-1 in a year. One of the
Log on to irishandchin.com.
Right, this round gonna be at 10 minutes. Alright? Black Cat.
One love. You play like one dirty pussy. You notice where I'm going up here? The long hair man wrote this out, wait for start time. See my pose and wait when he come in. Where your blood clot, the pose for way? You see I pay thugs live in Brooklyn. Suck your Italian mama. The blood clot, your pussy. They're gonna rub you out. I might throw for them your bad mind for. Yeah!
Calling, calling, calling Undertaker. Take her to the one, to the nearest cemetery. Calling, calling, calling Undertaker. Take her to the one, to the nearest cemetery. Evacuate the premises. Sound boy, you dead.
D-side Chilani.
Hey! All of the one of that. Go so! Go so!
Well, if it's killing, don't you know that War Tanker is willing? Him will shot you all for less than a shilling. Him no ramp when it come to blood.
Give me Bojo.
Oh, you for test Black Cat, you must be dreaming. When now we have the girls, them screaming.
All who say one of that, go so. Everyone of that, go so. Go so.
We don't care, can we have no band, we have no dealings. We don't have no dealings. Rock, there goes your party man.
What do them?
And then me can't take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam.
Look, blood clot. Me have one butcher for boss. When before me come and butcher say Panther, me have give one show to care in New York. A long time in a work up there. Listen every word of blood clot butcher here. Listen to butcher.
The place called 225. I be a Bronx man, I'm straight up. I don't know myself. We're hardcore.
Listen to butcher.
Confirm. Black Cat. Run up in on the fence, how we food get sucked up. 7 on me base bus and everything last. Me switch and them a act off, me checking them stop. Who tell me out, how I walk crap. Now me chop a yard, me hear the fussy, them a laugh. Me used to wear Prada, no me have to wear class.
Listen to this.
Dance in a foreign, now I walk, man I walk. I was the coast in Ocha, who them used to call boss.
No BS.
Control buildings, blocks.
Listen lyrics. Listen lyrics.
Create all the laws. Looking back, my world was really filled with flaws. Moving in the fast lane with no time to pass. Know me wife in a foreign with another man a flash. Me son out a hand, he's skipping class. Boy got dead, me look down in the hourglass. Happy touch back America no matter what it costs. And when me touch tongue boy hear that bust like glass. Who you? Are you? Who no bumbo clap? Never know say bunch of ant and come back with no heart. Black Cat sound.
No BS.
Me a send go start. And when you play that
New York, yeah.
New York. And anytime you play it, you go see the crowd part. Brooklyn massive, you say, but you are the heart.
Brooklyn massive.
We don't walk rough.
Different.
Black Cat in the area. Oh,
Clash done.
Hey.
Clash done.
Listen, song guy.
ENT.
Sing it's a little story about life. Black Cat till the sound they have to die. A lot of people ask the questions why. Some sounds wanna go for so much more.
Look, what people done there? Go so, go so.
Me ball amen. So let's get me. What the fuck?
What you carry? Sunshine.
Oh,
got it.
Clash done.
Yeah, yes. Listen now. She goes out to the man in the street. She said, "Sir, can you help me?" Listen now. When it's gone, I have no way to sleep.
Brooklyn, make a hear. Make it.
Listen now. Think twice.
Look.
It's just another.
One love, you can't do that tune or nothing. All who say one love dead, 2 in the year. If you say one love dead, no BS.
Think twice.
Go so.
It's just another day.
New York, Brooklyn. If one love dead, like that to them.
You think about it. In the name. In the name. In the name of the Lord, Black Cat, no king. Big deal, big deal. Out me.
Not your friend now. Out me.
Watch.
I'm gonna say. Shut your mouth when Black Cat talking. This.
Out me.
Not your friend now. Out me. I'm gonna say. Shut your mouth when Black Cat talking. Disrespect gunshot will be barking. Or the bitch I can kiss.
One love. You play me blood clot bounty. say copper shot. You're a pirate. You just go vice. You remember the one there? You remember the one from Billmore? Ariton Lambounty.
Black cat, we a murder informer. We no hearts, not a thing. Shut up in a public panther, well cold-blooded. A murder informer.
Look
not a thing.
What bounty?
Well, if we shot him, we go for
Look.
say a big one if we
So
shot
are you bounty part? You remember bounty part? You remember bounty part?
And if we shot him, you won't say a big thing. Take him and panther shot him.
No base.
Him. Shot him past a compete over him. Shot him in a
Go so, go so. Go so, Brooklyn.
Black cat, we a murder informer. We no hearts that a thing.
Go so.
Shut up in a public panther.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Guns out, black cat and a sound a play out. Big Mac 11 you guns out.
Different tune. With the blood clot in your dirty boy.
I got about now love the girl I'm gonna supposed to change in a car.
Push it up.
The boy can't see a wine pan the man run your car. But different. Cocky for the girl then, straight. All of the tongues away, no them a girlish. Men me see a lion bar. Yo, some boy say them a girlish. Smoke up your chalice. Never fuck a
black cat will go so.
But there's just one thing black cat need in this world.
Cartel.
Panther, me a say, yo, you say. Me a say up to the crime, you know it's cartel. Hey, yo, you say, world crash start 10. First thing me do when the war starts. Panther kill off them rascals. Then we push the body.
If One Love dead, go so. Go so.
Black cat kill them off. Them dead off, we squeeze lead off. Panther kill them off. Them dead off.
You know one more cartel? Look. One Love. That clash of disgrace. You're not no tune One Love.
Black cat no true word. Me throw a gunshot and spill blood. Them feel sappy like mud. Are you them said? The first time me kill, me attend. Hey, to final, do you?
Hey, no keep the clash again, my boy. Waste a blood clot time. One Love are the worst beat you ever get. Boy, you come second at world clash. You come second back of your man. Suck your mama pussy. Hear that shot?
Unity rifle, go down corners and curves. Copper to your face like herbs. Fuck up.
Yo, black cat, the sound I love so much can never be defeated.
You say, give me a bounty. Give me a bounty.
Under a spell, them just get crushed. Them swear them.
Massive. In counteract, my bounty I never played. This bounty cannot be counteract.
We had them fooled all the while. Kill them in slow motions like taking
candy from a
child.
When no?
Stop on a love potion.
Bounty fuck you up One Love and set you up. Cause you can't counteract that tune, you blood clot.
Who killed the most sound? No Panther, and tear whole New York down. No Panther, who get the top team crown? No Panther, everything a Panther. Well, who win the most clash? No Panther, send sound boy go and go crash. No Panther, kill sound.
A black cat win the clash now, turn the sky.
Panther, everything. Well, so if you hear me boss gun in the
blood, my set. No, the class thing we got in a girl tune. Gone wild, alright.
Log on to irishandchin.com.
Gunman! Brooklyn!
Gone wild. We might forget wild and I shoot from a mile.
Guns gone wild.
We better turn off my nasty. Well, guns gone wild. Magnum smash out your brain from the ceramic tile. Hey, we nice gone wild. We 3-star bust your throat and I use it in a fine. I heard them, the AK get mad.
Give me a brand new killer now. Brand new killer.
Black as in black cat. Hey yo, you know it's black cat. Chroming, zoning, all fucking niggas you know. Hey yo, one time Panther using.
One more.
Story topper. Hey yo, what up with them crapper, them old patter. Hey yo, Halla Panther, Teflon, scatter. Hey yo, tell them. Black cat was the chrome, hear me tap them doom, but the man son white. Leave them a foam.
Brand new.
See like shalom. While that many me have the killer syndrome.
Turn up. Enough hear some new tune. Come here and lead the business. I saw it go. Then can't kill Panther and I saw it set up. Never live to kill me a blood clot. We don't know no tune to kill me. Final tune this. Black Cat win, goes up. Goes up. Lock off.
This round gonna begins the 10 minutes each for each sound. But before we get to that massive, do remember that this is an Andrew Digital promotion. And Andrew Digital Record Store is located at 532 Fulton Street, that's downtown Brooklyn, where you could purchase your latest DVD 7-inch records. That's at Andrew Digital Record Store, 532 Fulton Street, downtown Brooklyn. And you could link him on his cell at 917-312-2044. So it's an Andrew Digital promotion. And this round marks the beginning of a 10 minutes each. So all the way from Italy, once again, the One Love sound.
Well, Panther, big up all of the people who love dance. Big up all of the people who love thunderclap, raindrop. My Panther, you see tonight is not Friday night. We know there are Jiggy Friday and them thing there. It's a Brooklyn this, early a morning. Time for some serious tune. Not true? Not true? Squeeze it! Real tune!
At the minute now, the hour. How this one is coming like the back of the hour. I want love, I power, lamp and sweat. King David, do them up here. That's a big time of lava.
Real tune, I do it.
I need to come out. What the say?
I'm not jiggy, ready. All right, Brooklyn.
Here come the hot stepper.
One love in the area.
Excuse me, Miss Officer. Still love you like that. No, we don't die.
We kill some guy.
Anyone test will hear the fat lady.
So all I want to see Panther dead. Do an eye for Panther dead. Panther dead.
Stop eating it. Burn out, red, hot, out that. One love, the big sound, my sound, yeah. Red hot, see it.
Original robot up in the morning.
No make need.
I got it.
Man a bonfire, Panther.
People! Squeeze it again. Robot up in the morning. Robot up in the morning, Brooklyn. Squeeze it up.
Yeah. Them say them a deal with CF6. How that?
Why you deal with?
Yeah, them a deal with CF6. How that? Panther. Yeah, man. Panther outdated now, man. Stop use Panther, man. I use Rough Rider. You see what I say? Where them come from? I want some selector. What them know about? What them hear about? Yeah, man. We just make them know. So right now, we burn dead meat.
Oh, you say you have got some little tune and you come. We have new tune. New tune segment this. Listen now. Listen now.
Red eyes. See. Roll out. Hey.
What we do tonight? What we do?
Man a bonfire, Panther. Nothing with full man, nothing with feathers. Man a move like heel pipe and wavers. One love, tell them get them up together.
Squeeze it!
See ya. One love, oh it's oh well, oh Lord. One love,
one Brooklyn, Brooklyn.
And problem. One love, a murder sound white tonight.
Yeah, man, Black Cat tonight dead.
A book and a bite. They said they must lose their life. Worries and problem. One love, a murder sound white tonight.
Yes, selector, next.
Yeah, man, do chubby, you don't know, free. Hey, keep me, you don't know. Yeah, man, grab, you don't know, yeah.
All right, Brooklyn.
There's nothing in them system of which they create all around.
All right, low. You know, say when we are touch Sizzler, get sticky, level. All right, Kalanje.
One love sound and mash them down. We not lose.
Yeah.
Say that I hide them high. Do them a proof we gonna mash them down.
Yeah, we come to mash Black Cat. Yo, Panther, no way. Squeeze in the next. Squeeze Sizzla again.
Rastafari. Yo, Brooklyn! For Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
Yo, man, hey!
Because the trophy is mine. Well, that's that we use, we survive so quiet.
I'm in a left without no trophy. I'm in a left, yes, so.
Well, that's that we use to survive so quiet. Difficult because the trophy is mine.
What I say, Sizzla again? Sizzla!
I would have focused there, China. I don't have a blood clot there. Fire ready now. One love sound, down is the love.
One love come to kill you like never before.
The sound around my day are ready. Fear the war, we gonna kill you like never before. When you clash me, can't play no more, we gonna kill you like never before. One love sound run round, fight any war, we gonna kill you.
Alright, Sizzla, sing it out now. Hey!
One love said, don't you matter what the sound might say.
Yeah, you are everything.
Need you, girl, every night and day to be with you. That's the very thing.
Cut.
So let's speak. This is a column tradition of flowing the red, gold, and green banner. Yo,
next Sizzla. Next Sizzla.
Rastafari. So why you think you can test my sound, eh? Okay. I don't say no, but you gonna dead anyway. Ha.
All right, Kalanje.
Hey, people say yeah. Okay.
Oh, you go, King.
I love it, eh? Anyway,
a big tune time in the morning where I say Brooklyn.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carry me through. All them
low. So,
Wagwan
from when we go back
ENT.
clash, me not see Panther playing no Jacure. And we are represent Jacure in this. We are gonna play Jacure alongside Sizzla, Kalonji. Lego! Well, Brooklyn! Yeah, free! Free Jacure!
But I ain't a fool. Turn them overcome.
Why a second?
In this dancer, seated up so high.
And so humble.
I've seen some jump and fall. And they stumble
along. All right, Kalonji, why I say now? Kalonji! Got no friend. Squeeze it. Next Jacure.
Universal Italian room, you don't know them place there. Yeah, you don't know Rastafari. Oh yeah, one love.
What I said tonight?
One love is the solution.
Yeah.
Let's get stop a revolution.
Pull up, dash it. Pull up, dash it. Everybody say, one love, Jacure, they are jail and not supposed to be there. So everybody want to see Jacure free. Say, free Jacure. Squeeze it, big tune time again. New tune Panther. New tune Panther. New blood clot tune.
One love's on the champion sound.
Yes, Brooklyn.
Cool and fierce. The only sound, play without fear.
Yeah.
One love like magnet to steal your
Hey! Pull it up. Read them up again. Kick them off.
Log on to irishandchin.com.
One love's on the champion sound.
Yeah, man, Black Panther. Boy. Boy, Panther. New tune.
One love like magnet to steal your sound. It's pulling them in. If it's a battle, one love for you. I'll to win. To prove to you, son boy, we're the king.
Yes, King.
One love, play them anytime. What am I
So Panther carries a little new tune, a DJ tune. Me a come with something heavy. Me a bring something heavy. Everywhere in the world, the youth, they are at the top of the chart. At the top of the chart. Squeeze it.
Murder jump and sound. Roll clash. Some boy get the next smash. I'm a Zora, more like
you wanna hear new tune, Panther?
Lava.
Panther new tune.
Some boy no one live up in love.
Somebody say new tune. New tune. Read him up again.
I won't say murder jump and sound.
Yeah man, tonight Panther, Yunzi.
Mazura, more like 6 sound to kill man. Blood spill.
New tune again.
Sound boy no one live up in low. One blood get vexed and start to steal them blood. I run from the class to them not happy no.
Panther not up with me.
Them wanna beat the food as it forward. Them turn the dance all.
Not up with me, Panther.
Them drum bar, yet them hate the pure out.
Low. You wanna hear new tune? You wanna hear new tune? Squeeze it.
Yeah, be a fire. Yeah, sound boy, I got feeling. I don't even know them really.
Alright, fireman.
Who do you think you are? We living in a small Still some of us watching a clav, let me show them now. Yeah, be a fire.
What you say again?
Sound boy, I got feeling.
New tune.
I never know them really.
Are you big country boy?
I want to boy. Who do you think you are?
We living in a small world.
Small world. As wicked as you think you are.
We living in a small world. Yeah man, a bumper clad small world.
Wicked as you think you are. We living in a small world. Small world. As rough as you think you are. We living in a
what you say, bro?
They would come when I know the sound boy head would have bust in a this day would come when they would try to escape and see them now. There's nowhere to run. This day would come when I shall see their handing over dubs and
oh, one number go on. Number go on good. Number go on good. Alright, the war tanker, Panther.
Cross, miserable in the hold on. One love. Can't help you. Your late start. Your late blood clot start. And you want to take my trophy then? Me fix up it for you, one love. You try kill Panther, you're mad. You will never live to kill a youth here. Run that blood clot!
Hey, sound boy, try counteract this. Make them know that this is our spot. And none before and none after can take that. Yeah, me as a original
counteraction!
Yeah, me as a what's on a Panther. Keep on burn them non-stop. Yo,
Brooklyn! Listen to this blood clot!
Listen!
Listen!
Here's Panther. Tell them, I'll be with you if them one.
One love, no play back a blood clot. You're dead. Your blood clot at next June.
Christian and Massive. Big up all Canada.
Lock off one love. Lock off. All who's a black cat win the clash. Go so. Go so.
Said I fell in love with black cats. Black cat. Lord.
All who's a black cat win the clash. Go so. Go so. Go so.
Someone don't test me and put the plate in your hand.
New York, go so.
Say ain't no sound that move me. Say ain't no sound that groove me like black can do. Black
blood clot.
Black can do.
I'm in the mood to kill a song. Black Cat, come and let's shoot them down.
Wagwan DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
One Love. You're the worst son come to Brooklyn. Don't come back a blood clot. You know which fire come? In the rock.
Yeah, it's all about Black Cat. They don't know the
In the blood clot rock.
We kill a sound now.
All who say One Love dead, show me in the door by us. Awesome!
Kill a sound, Panther, kill a sound, Panther, kill a sound now. Murder sound, murder sound, murder sound now. Black Cat sound, it comes to kill a sound.
One Love, lock off One Love.
Black Cat sound, it comes to murder sound. Because Black Cat's so nice, you got to play it.
Easy to quench it. Sit down. Skull bang spin.
No BS. One Love, go cut tune, One Love. Go cut blood clot tune.
All the massive them are run come to
I'd like to tell you a story about what Black Cat can do now, what Black Cat South can do now. Listen to the say now, what Black Cat takes.
Stand up! Different blood clot tune.
We present to you the foundation singer, Errol Dunkley, deal with them here. Yeah, Black Cat. I made a sound.
One Love, you're not true like Black Cat. Fuck off.
Synchron sound.
Pussy
No sound in this world
can play Black
Cat sound.
Here number one blood clot tune you get. All over your Black Cat, go so New York, go so.
You know.
One Love, lock off.
Hear me now, a Black Cat sound is the general. Oh yes. No.
One Love, they're killing with music. They're killing with blood clot tune, One Love. In a tune.
Black Cat sound is a dancehall stone.
It again. Different it again. Luciana.
Say Black Cat you run.
Yo.
Say 37 chambers of the Bingy Temple. Last time I sit up, me no time for idle. Singing in me, I'm a wild, the whole world I tremble. Sing the song I do.
One Love, in a party.
Up in the hills where the rivers run cold. Body and Janga swimming down in my pool.
It's a Panther. One Love, in a party.
Jaja have me up there cool. Final call. Cross culture.
Final tune this. Our Black Cat fans, go to New York. Go to Brooklyn. Go to.
Till let us see them a come. But Black Cat and the conqueror, still let us see.
Blood clot, they want more, Lunzi. They want more.
Wow. Them dead. Pink Panther. Nobody said nothing.
Who this?
All your papa.
Who this?
Control. Now Garnet Silk, but never said nothing more.
Garnet blood clot Silk.
Black Cat come again. And a sound boy life.
One Love, you bury yourself. You bury yourself, One Love.
Oh Lord, what a sound, Brad.
Yes, sir, that One Love. Yes, sir, you're done for.
Run things.
Put it in.
Whoa.
Listen up, party, One Love.
Black Cat is broad. Ooh, you say you wanna challenge Black Cat, but Cat will throw you to the ground. Didn't you know Black Cat rules
all over town? You can't play this One Love.
Now what can't you see is Black Cat wearing the crown?
All over Black Cat, go some talks. New York, Brooklyn, go some.
Make you drown, go down. Sound boy, go down.
Black Cat go. Big up, Milo. Sensitive people.
Gone it again.
Black Cat is a stepping up. Whoa, love.
Don't play no more.
Black Cat is stepping up.
Go some Brooklyn. Salute, Panther. Go, sir.
Rolling through them black cat sound. Black cat control things.
Stand up! Now run on them big man round. Cause you have to play a big man round. Cause I'm in the class 1-3 from about 1 o'clock. So you have to go on a big man round. Next sound.
Yes, massive. This is an Andrew Digital promotion, and do remember that Andrew Digital Record Store is located at 532 Fulton Street. That's downtown Brooklyn, where you could purchase the latest DVD, CDs, and all the latest 7-inch records. Massive, this round gonna be 5 minutes, so all the way from Italy. Now all the time. One Love sound.
Where Panther there? Where Panther? Why you hide yourself from the people? Panther? Why you say new tune, new tune? You run out a new tune already. Big man segment. Squeeze it! New tune again! Me have it still! Me have it still! Yeah!
One love a murder sound boy.
Voila!
A sound boy. And them nasty virgin.
Yeah!
Give them bonus, we go bed with him.
I want this again!
So it starts spreading. I'll when them seek when he's stealing sound boy. That
new tune!
Mercy please, for life them begging. This one love until the mark them made.
Alright, I know!
Spirit them back from the age of 7 or 13 before them reach 11.
Panther go dead in this blood clot! Hey! Hey!
Them rise and
new tune!
and kill black cats.
Bomb clot! Pull up! Read him up again! Read him up again! Are you named Bascomex? Listen! What? Low! Me no say Brooklyn know about this tune. Are you named Gentleman? Yeah, man! Well? Alright! Low. So, when we come a clash, when we come a New York, we love to boss a new artist. We're not afraid of that.
Log on to irishandchin.com.
Panther say, me and boss the new artist, when Fifth Element, all of them boss already from long time. From blood clot long time. Youth name perfect.
Can't perfect and it's hot enough. Me ask about some sound boy. What am I going to run?
Alright, Brooklyn.
Some lampa. Ooh, one lover, yeah. Oh my God. Lampa kill and destroy all dirty sound boy.
Yes, perfect.
Bust them head like pop chai.
Why I say big man segment?
You could have come from Rikima or you come from Jungle.
One in the air.
You come from Tower.
One in the air. One love.
One love song.
Hey!
Coming from Anthony Red Road. One Love International. Field Marshal Pasha. Aye. Y'all say me never did a one.
Big tune time again. Big tune.
Don't be jacket white feature. Some boy. I just love how the One Love sound.
Keep playing. All right. Panther.
One Love at power.
No one yet done.
Tell us I'm going over there to stop the song class kid.
Whoa, blast, hey, Gregory.
And him start with panic.
Low. In just play a Errol Dunklin. One Love can't find that. Me I go show you later. Me have Errol Dunklin. Both of them tune. Me have more Errol Dunklin. Me I show you how sound play tune that nobody can play in this motherfucking world. Right? Panther, find this if you can. Find this. Let go. Original Steel Pulse. Find this, Panther. Find this.
Rally round the flag, rally round the love.
Find this, Panther. Find Find this blood clot, Panther!
Yeah, David Dread of Steel Bomb, just a big up. One love, high power sound. Yeah. Lampa Dread, Gucci B.
I'm here on the city.
Rasta said.
Well.
Rally round the flag, rally round the love.
Yeah!
Rally round the flag, rally round the love.
Oh, rock one.
Steel pulse, this a sound, a double killer. Steel pulse, this a sound of the champion.
Me not rush my tune. Listen.
This a sound of brimstone and fire. Steel pulse, this a double murderer.
Yeah.
No dirty sound boy can't test the eye. Not eye and eye. No jester with this a sound.
Look, we are going to play last tune for the segment. We want to see Panther looking at the box and see if he find this. Find this, Panther! Find this blood clot again!
Oh God, yeah. Hey, yes. One love, high power. Oh God.
Are you in Brooklyn?
Oh, okay. One love, the reggae ambassador.
Hey, stop!
Big up One Love. Oh, One Love are gone. Am I going good?
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
What the blood clot you say? If you find him in lock off, all who believe say me find him in lock off, go so. Your pussy clot, you look for it, you see. Look for it, you know. Look for it, blood clot. You know long Black Cat have them pussy clot. The One Love. And the wrong soul you fuck with that man in a rock. The wrong blood clot sound. Ready! Look on the bass.
From Black Cat sound. See? Lord of mercy, I want to mash. Selector, you run things. Lord of mercy, Mr. Black Cat. Are you still
look up!
They might loot, they might shoot, they might wheel.
Whoa, yeah.
Black Cat, I shoot and I wheel.
Well, I don't. Me have it. Don't play it. Take your time. Take your blood clot time. All right. Well, I know. One boofer. Who no remember what I say? If me play a third role in the cup, that want me play a fourth world, a third world at blood clot. All right. Shh. One Love. If you find this blood clot, me shot myself right here, so me done with sound business. Find this blood clot.
You'd like Milo, our St. Elizabeth crew, Sablamar crew, big up.
Find this!
It's not special. Example. See, Garnet said that, I'm gonna take the back chat.
Find this!
Rule them Black Cat.
Blood clot.
Rule them all the way.
Find this One Love.
Long ago have I told you.
Find
that
this.
shouldn't be so easy. I've got some job play it will kill your
whole family.
No, I know you wish.
Find this
there
blood
was
clot.
No one else.
This you can find.
You don't have to
this
tell
you can
me
find.
You wanna play by yourself, but rule it. Black Cat.
Stand up.
Sound boy, wait a minute. Before you play another job,
blood clot.
What can you do to stop yourself from dying? Sound boy.
What you gonna do? Stand up again. If you find that blood clot, like a member, I know.
Wagwan
play
ENT.
Me garlic ceiling, me here. Because me play a third world. Me play a third world, so play garlic ceiling. I want them to play. Run that. Final tune.
I want to know say I'm murdering the dancers today. This is the same place to kill the son, boy. And same place where I left for no scene, same place where I bury no. Now, deep, bro.
He not get to it. No man no nice. He can't get to it.
Whoa, na, na. Whoa, yeah.
One lover, suck your woman.
Whoa, na, na.
Black Cat win a long time.
Look it.
Final tune. All who's a Black Cat, go so, go so.
I heard you planning to attack me, sound boy.
No more tune. Lock off. Men must have play a third world. Play.
Panther, 1 more minute. Come on, Panther, 1 more minute. Come on.
And another song like this one.
Panther, 1 more minute. That's it.
Step cross, George Party, and deal with the kids. Fast. Hold on.
Tune for tune now.
Mama.
Alright. Let's tune for tune now.
Tell me why Black Cat shouldn't be my sound for like
the greatest sound, Black Cat.
Yes.
Brooklyn, me love you.
You know that the Black Cat will always be.
Stand up, Dennis. One love.
Massive, here we go on. This will be the last 5 minutes from One Love, then dub for dub. Who do I judge now? And me I judge. Who I lead the dance? Black Cat I lead the dance, 2 and a year. One Love I lead the dance? Alright, One Love gonna play 1 more 5 minutes, then dub for dub. No eat that thing.
Me not understand why Panther love to play so short. Oh, Panther, what you say? Why you not in the bed with your woman? You play so short. Eh? You play so short, Panther. And what she say? Bombo cloud. Squeeze it. Tune again. It just started.
I said it just ain't over.
Yeah, man, over.
I said the war ain't over.
All right.
Just ain't over. Oh no.
Yo, shorty.
The war between One Love Sound and the guy came over.
Bombo cloud.
We better pack up on the sound and leave now before we try to murder.
All right, Brooklyn.
The war between Lampa Dread and the guy came over. No.
Why you say it's over? Yes, Selector. Yes, so. Kill him, yes, so. Squeeze it.
Hear me now. Gunshot bust a ricochet off a wall. You just One Love your sound. Why One Love no easy at all. Here one show public about.
Put you.
It's a 9. Oh, them is a 45. Earth 16 and packed up. Now must do right.
Bombo. Hey. Squeeze it.
Spring, you know. Solomonic Dynasty. Rule it for Ivan Sing. Way ho, way. Hey, King Selassie I for Ivan.
Brooklyn. Brooklyn.
One Love is a messenger. Teaching the youth about.
Squeeze it again. Squeeze it again.
Lava who time. Big things in the dance. Do she? Our man a try. I got the strong sense in me, yeah. Pulling on the dance. I got the strong sense in me, yeah.
Nothing in Black Cat.
Log on to irishandchin.com.
All right. Now, get to the point, straight.
Born king about the rich, down, kick it off, you don't know, scissor calendar, some of the big bomb buckler, friend. I'm not saying I'm big on Mama Africa, straight forward. I sent to them.
Brooklyn!
Yeah. Hear me now.
Yes, sir!
Yeah, this the Rasta man, and I'm a born the Charlie friend, the Yankee Bone Joy. Tell them to get to the point. Yeah, this the Rasta man, and One Love I forward, tell the people them again. Hey, this is a calamity, somebody attack a fire. Hey, this is a calamity, it's a level with another. Hey, this is a calamity, somebody attack a fire.
All right, sister.
Judgment, that's it for them. Good things for them.
word for them. One love, I want to live out for you, so one love sound. Check for them, your big bunch of rose.
Now rock with me.
Money this and that.
Now rock with me.
For them. What you make me burn out to lose the bed for them. What you make me chop out and a pop on it for them. What you flying, make me get the and a step for them. Get the best for them. Whoa, whoa, one love tell them some. Hey, this is the column, somebody has to fire.
So Sizzler.
Hey, this is the column, just to the
Sizzler next now. Next June. I go.
On October B, MC King David and Clark.
Let me show how the real dance one. Alright, Leroy Dance Mark. Yeah.
The two-bone champion. Oh, I love how that done.
Last tune.
Massive. Let me tell you one thing. The dance look close to me. Or the dance look close to who are lead the dance? Panther lead the dance more than 2 in a year. One level lead the dance more than 2 in a year. Well, I'm Panther. Here we're going right now. We all settle it right here, so right now. We're going to play a 10-10 tune. Panther, my virgin, one level, my virgin. But the business who win this dance here. But the dance close. So right now, Panther, take out the best 10 tune. One love, take out the best 10 tune. A blood class on for dead right now. Panther.
Watch it in the promoter. My work with them. Massive. Look, come back again with a close argument. I don't close with man, I close with my blood clot girl. I'm ready for me shake off them blood clot now. Shake them off, you say.
Greetings in the name of Zinflas.
Blood clot, don't you?
Rastafari.
One of the play back 2 tune already.
Tune about Marley talking to him, don't know a black cat.
Lock off him, blood
yes,
clot.
Yes,
Yes,
love Panther. Slash I know.
With the blood clot to them. No, yeah.
Some sound boy balling on. Here's some little sound boy balling on. I'm black cat.
All is a black cat a lead, 2 in a year.
Well, tell them black cats are wet them need all follow.
Your blood clot, you know.
Oh, Panther go with a one tune there. All of them are going to go 2 in a year. All right, one love, come in.
Are you mean digital? It's a one year, it's a musical war. All of we are bridging, Panther we bridging, Yunzi are we bridging. All of we are bridging. But you see Shorty tonight, you have a new name for Panther, Shorty. You see Shorty tonight, you are going dead on the spot to blood clot. Squeeze it!
Original culture. Let them hear your voice at the dance hall.
Come down, bang around. Me there for sure, for real. Is I who
Alright, New York!
to kill is our desire, eh?
Jaja see them a come.
One love and conqueror.
Lock off. Pussy. Me a bad man. Me kick down a blood clot. A Brooklyn me them. I want my family there. Rocket! The blood clot you want to lock off. You play already. All those the black you with. Go so.
Now, massive, let's rise and shine and give Jah the glory. Black at display of goodness.
Next zone.
One love, step up.
Panther.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
So you are shorty and fast. Me don't know how you deal with a girl. So now ramp with me, I'm not afraid of no bumbo wall. Alright? Squeeze it! Squeeze it!
Remember, run the place, One Love sound. One Love sound, big sound, everywhere sound. Champion sound, big sound.
I have no fear.
Alright, Brooklyn! Man of Batman, man afraid of nobody!
One love, no fear,
no one really afraid of no bumbo clot!
Me kill that tune right here, son. Afraid of your blood clot. You're true like me, One Love. When you forget true like me, boy, Tap in on them neck, Alton Ellis. Rata!
Look up! Look up!
All the rock tune, go so. All the red big tune, go so. Go so! Shout!
I'm just the sound. I'm just the sound.
Oh, you're Ross. What you deal with? Huh? What you deal with? Bombo clock. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Joe, hold tight. You're the best. No song can test. Hey.
All right, Brooklyn.
Hey, look at it. I'm still in love with one love song.
Bombo clock. Move.
Italian body boy. Hold on. Shh. Hold on, you see. Me gonna spoil the clash tonight. Me have a little difference in going tonight. All the while we play tune for tune, we don't play all tune, no. Change it, Panther. We not gonna believe One Love, listen to this blood clot. Intro.
Whenever War Tanka play, some Bojo Banton and Bounty Killer will definitely set this clash off right.
Gonna be.
Well, me and say One Love Dread now have no girl, and name a fuck party. Well, in a Brooklyn, the body boy are there tonight.
Gonna be.
Stand up! Give me the final one now. See it, Brooklyn. Difference.
Yo! How them feel like, yo, a black cat, how them feel like, boss the black. Let them know, oh, I'm making the gun them now, don't itch.
Push
let
it
them right away, what them feel like, Brooklyn. Jump and will be tumbling down now. It's bitch again. Hey.
Blood clot, Brooklyn, go so.
There's only one sound.
Listen to tune, listen. Alright.
Yeah. This time when we commit the crime, Maki 2+9, left a vivid design now. Copper board through your spine and redefine how this war will end out. Who is One Love to chat to me when One Love Dread in fuck party? The whole of Brooklyn rise up.
Difference me I go now. Come and win long time.
What you deal with? Huh? Give a round of applause for Panther, please. All right, thanks. We are go deep now. We are go blood clot deep now. Let go.
Go home, y'all. Run it from the top, Mr. T.
Stand up, buzzing and fighting.
Sound a tree.
Why not just get together and live in one life?
I want the real killer.
One
love. I want the real
killer.
Sounds of Rome.
Now don't you be like a devil when I play the sounds called rebel.
I'm a sound killer.
You're a sound killer, you're dead every blood clot week. Kill your pussy clot. Listen to Julia!
Black cat, rich kid, remember see how you run things with a man called
Go to Brooklyn and last of them.
Creeping up on you.
Go to Brooklyn, how's the Panther when it clash? Go so.
In a terrible form, black cat will kill you. In a mystic form, we'll creep up on you.
What do you lock off?
Black cat will make you wanna cry.
Not be a Yonsei.
Sound boy, you'll run away and hide. Be careful.
One Love, you're dead. Me kill you with tune in Brooklyn.
Like a thief.
Me love in Brooklyn. See it, yeah.
Kill them.
Stand up! We don't can't play that. Whoa! What you gonna do again, One Love? Your tune is done.
What you say, Panther? We are still wally for chum fi play. And me I go show you. And me I go blood clot show you. So a reality tonight, One Love I go kill Panther in this blood clot rock. Squeeze it!
Show with the movement of entertainment and good music. In a good way, saying.
A reality this!
Log on to irishandchin.com.
In reality, One Love murder your side.
Yeah!
We done kill your side.
Whoa! Blast!
Massive. Give me 1 minute at a time. That's 5 tune each. This is when I show you about one-on-one dance. to show you who are the real blood clot big man. You understand? Because I'm not care when nobody want to tell me say the dance is closed. Nobody not demand this dance all night. When I mean that 8 sound clash, anything can happen. But one-on-one, one man must blood clot win because we have 5 tunes left. You understand? Panther, your time.
Talk to people the truth, man. Black Cat with the clash are early. We play the most big tune, the most new tune, everything. It's still close. It's still close. Alright, well, I want me to shake him off now then. Shake up!
I'm the A1 sound.
Leroy Blood Clot Simmons. What do you want, love? You play about 5 tune.
Like Cat got no handle, sound boy. You got to play. Shut up!
Hold on, stop. Don't play back. Don't play back. Remember, say One Love play 5 tune and play already too. Remember, good. Me not play back no tune.
Why you say, Panther? You dev? You're shorty, fast and dev? Huh? Why you say? You are shaky to a love now. Let me show you how we are shake Black Cat now. Squeeze it! Squeeze it!
Yeah, the sound of Roma. Big up Lampa. Tano. Mr. D.
And so we are shake the Panther tonight. We are shake the Panther. You remember all time sign?
Gary got bring from sound boy. One Love is gonna kill us all.
Oh, Brooklyn! What you on?
Now ramping me body, man. Fuck off. I won't know so fine we artists them, so no one they come back to England or Europe. You come here and play Calypso. We don't play them blood clad when they are rock. Reggae me a play. Go next silk.
We play on and on. Easy Prince Junior.
They pray for the Brooklyn.
Panther, the last guy, love and guidance. Love Rastafari.
Salute Black Cat. Salute. Watch out, prayer. Our Black Cat fans, go so, pray for them.
Let God arise. Let his enemies be scattered. Also let them that hate him flee before him. As wax melted before
everybody knows that I play better show them. Not be a Sunday.
But sing unto his name.
God excel. Brooklyn already.
Extol him that ride upon the heavens by his name. Jah Rastafari. I left the last for the first.
Signal garden.
Who lives and rules and reigns.
Signal garden. Signal.
Lives and rules and reigns. Oh well now. Well every knee shall bow and every tongue shall tell. Jah is the highest.
Shut up! One Love, you really gonna play back again?
Why you mean Batman and Batman and Batman? What's up, your brother? You see, when me a fuck with me a girl, me a work hard. Hard. No, slow, fast, as you all go. You understand? I know me name Shorty, and your name Shorty. Eh? Eh? Lego, big shoot time again.
Clapper, Marco, big up. Let it go, selector.
Big shoot time again. You do it today, not the rock.
I knew one day we'll meet for a
yes, man, hey.
Somewhere always.
Moment your marks you did with this.
Look at it now, One Love got you in.
Original studio one time.
He's gonna whip you and show you who is.
Well, Marcia.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Boom blast.
Brooklyn, we now have 3 more tunes left. And the club have to close at 4:30. Brooklyn people are not blood clot idiot. Panther, find your best blood clot tune and One Love find your best blood clot tune.
You look like you're ready to promote a girl this one. Or you come like you want to clash me too. You want that too? When the blood clot the promoter, he's back. I'm going to kill One Love. He has so temper the music. You can't play back One Love. You're not too like Black. You're gone in the box now. This killing more son of Brooklyn pussy. They're not coming back.
We live at the reign of the art of every living thing. This is Luciano, the messenger.
Catch me, baby man.
The celestial
Yeah,
sound
catch me.
Black Cat.
Me never left Black Cat yet. Me I suffer with this blood clot. Me don't run left my sound, so here I am.
But he's the Panther and the
All right, Panther, go so. Real selector over here, so fight with this. Go so. All who love Panther Brooklyn, salute me.
Hey, yeah.
Salute Panther Brooklyn. All the red Black Cat, salute Black Cat, salute me. Salute.
Trade will keeps on blowing. Black Cat keeps on playing.
All who say Black Cat win the clash. Don't buy a stone here.
I never gave down the fight. Just yesterday I was open for tomorrow, and I trust and pray it will bring a brighter future.
Yeah, I want a full of me eye.
My life has been filled up.
Low. Remember one time Black Cat never had no tune and them a cuss me. Me get tune now and me I win enough clash and them bad mind me. All the red plant are glad for me. Go so.
But when the going gets right, the top gets going. Black Cat never give up the fight.
Never give up yet. Whenever sound say I take war break, me not take break. Me ever clash fool now. Next sound.
Move out, Panther. Move out of this here clash right now.
Grab says so. Run the place. One love. Run the place.
Move out now. All right, Brooklyn.
Move out of this here lawn. You jump and sound.
Yeah.
Leave only one love sound. The champion sound.
Bomb class. Find a next. Find a next.
DVD for Black Cat versus One Love will be released Martin Luther King weekend.
You don't know which tune me just find. If you don't follow Black Cat career from 89 and come up, you don't remember this blood clot, Bunny Wailer.
Youch, dance mass. This is the
Long
original
time
Damn
we
Dada
play
Bunny
this.
Wailer. Telling you that only one sound in the universe could have played this a sample special. And that's a champion sound. Black Cat.
Lock off.
You hear? Be on. A DB sound boy, you better keep on running.
Go, sir.
DB sound called Black
All of
Cat.
the Black Cat, wait, go, sir.
Hear this, you don't talk crown. Mediocre sound boy, you better stop your boasting.
A Black Cat with the clash.
Body sound
Go,
called
sir.
Black Cat, the original champion of sound, yo. Me say the sound called Black Cat has been accused for a sound of killing.
One love me kill you with blood clot tune. You're not a tune, One Love.
So Panther, why you say every time Panther are the greatest? Panther are the history maker. We not just one man make the history of the reggae music. Him name a Bob Marley, right? Squeeze that tune. Squeeze that tune. Pussy clot. Squeeze it.
Flamboyant some boys and not to pussy and show off with vanity. One love deal with humanity.
All right, listen now.
Yeah. Lord of mercy.
Listen now.
Why boast thyself, Big Panther?
Ball up.
You see it? Never give up on the real ride of them. One Love, you're not a blood clot tune. Yes, so you're dead. You're dead in a road them, and you're dead in a tune for tune.
Stick it, you know.
Always a black guy with the clash. What's up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm blood clot dead.
Black Cat don't care for you, some boy.
Lock off that blood clot, One Love.
Yo, Claude, big up. You understand? We don't know this blood clot disrespect. No disrespect. Big up, Claude. At the World Club Lodge. At the Club Rock. Entourage. We don't disrespect no security, nobody. But we have one more tune left. One love, come in.
It's not done yet. Panther play 10 tune. Me have to play my last tune. So kill him now. Kill him now.
See, I'm a Dutch. Even allow the stream to flow every day. Oh,
last tune.
Listen and love sound play. One, go do your work, ya star. One, go do your work, ya star. One, go do your work, ya star. And never you go idle, never you go blur, ya. One, bomb the fire, ya star. One, lift the youth.
Here's Brooklyn.
One, with good desire.
Too much people up on the stage. My last tune this.
Pick it up, but the boom son of call it one love. It's man, can't stop this one, yeah. Ganjaro, mother.
All right, Sizzla, kill him now. Kill him now.
Rastafari is the Almighty and the conquering line of tribe of Judah. I'm here for one love song from Babylon, because I love from first and one love. Come on here.
All right, Brooklyn.
I've been there all days of my life. Works good and pray right the old man.
I saw it go, hey.
That there's too much they like. Some is at the blessed of all the day they find the fuck the life. Some don't care the artists like us. Oh, waiting to see you fall. One love sound holding you firm.
Me don't know why they want to spoil the game.
Why myself the money done? I asked for the money done. Pick up Blunt passing at the blood clot house. Pick up Blunt. Pick up Dan Low, Father Bentley, Ron.
Wagwan ENT.